John 14:15, if you love me, keep my commandments. It's the vision to have a mega church in the future.
With her partner, Mary Jane Polito from Samar, Philippines. She is 17 years old and have a goal to be a pastor someday.
The fourth partner, J.R. Damiwan from Malama Corner, Apayao, Philippines. He is 18 years old. His life verse, Psalms 46:1. Ambition to build his own Bible school in the future.
With her beautiful partner, Miss Mary Grace Abrilla from Taghalan, Bulusan, Sorsogon, Philippines. She is 17 years old and has a life verse found in the book of John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have an everlasting life. And he planned and have a goal to be a missionary international in the future.
His partner, Anthony Mobini, the Anglo Solomon. He is 21 years old. His life verse is Proverbs 1:7. To become a great leader for the future.
And with his beautiful partner, Miss Andrea Satillan from Taguig City, Manila, Philippines. She is 17 years old and has a life verse found in the book of Hebrews 13:5. I will never leave you nor forsake you, and have a goal to be a pastor of a church someday.
For the sixth partner, Art Dave Macampao from Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. He is 22 years old. His life verse found in 1 Peter 5:7. His ambition is to become an evangelist.
With his beautiful partner, Jemima Bragas Ola from San Juan, Abra, Philippines. She is 19 years old and have a verse, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And have a goal to become a missionary someday.
Seventh partner, John Bangay. He is come from Lili to Cabugao, Apayao, Philippines. He is 23 years old. The life verse is found in Revelation 4:11. He wants to become a great young people minister.
With his beautiful partner, Miss Janine Yoso from Taytay, Rizal, Philippines. She is 19 years old, life verse Proverbs 31:30, and have a goal to become a leader in her church someday.
Last, Mr. Robert Flores. He is come from Quezon, Isabela, Philippines. He is 22 years old. The life verse is from Jeremiah 33:3. His ambition is to become a pastor.
With her beautiful partner, Miss Vanessa Catriona Escalon.
And last but not the least, Kevin Nakia. She is 19 years old.
With her beautiful partner, Miss Dayan Salama.